Intellectual property can be one of the most valuable assets a company or individual owns. But how do you turn that patent into profit? This is where patent brokers come into play. Patent brokers are specialized professionals who facilitate the buying, selling, and licensing of intellectual property. They serve as intermediaries in the patent marketplace, helping patent owners maximize the value of their innovations while connecting buyers with valuable IP assets. These brokers provide several critical services. They evaluate patents to determine their market value, create marketing materials to showcase the technology, identify potential buyers or licensees, and guide clients through complex negotiations and legal documentation. While most represent sellers, some specialize in assisting buyers seeking specific technologies. When working with a broker, patent owners typically enter into a formal agreement that establishes exclusive representation, compensation terms, and the duration of the relationship. This exclusivity allows brokers to invest fully in marketing your patent without competing interests. Understanding patent valuation is essential for successful transactions. Several factors determine a patent's worth in the marketplace. These include the remaining patent life, whether someone is currently infringing on the patent, the strength and breadth of the claims, and current market demand for the technology. Patents with broader claims generally offer stronger protection, making them more valuable. However, these claims must be enforceable to maintain their worth. Market demand also significantly impacts value, with patents in high-growth industries like artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and clean energy typically attracting more interest and commanding higher prices. The marketability of a patent is further influenced by legal and regulatory risks, commercialization readiness, and litigation potential. Patents that include prototypes or proven applications tend to be more valuable, as do those with a history of successful enforcement. The patent selling process resembles real estate transactions in many ways. The broker prepares a comprehensive sales package highlighting the patent's strengths and potential applications. They then identify and contact potential buyers, often providing redacted information initially to protect the patent's integrity. Once a buyer expresses serious interest, the broker facilitates negotiations and helps draft a formal patent purchase agreement. This contract details the terms of the sale and requires independent legal review. After signing, the funds and title transfer to the respective parties, completing the transaction. Individual patent owners should avoid directly contacting potential buyers, especially those who might be infringing on the patent. This approach could undermine the patent's value and complicate negotiations. Instead, rely on your broker's expertise to handle these sensitive communications. Selling isn't the only way to monetize intellectual property. Licensing offers an alternative that allows patent holders to generate revenue while retaining ownership. When considering licensing, patent owners must decide between exclusive and non-exclusive arrangements. Exclusive licenses grant rights to just one entity, while non-exclusive licenses permit multiple parties to use the technology. Licensing agreements typically include royalty structures that may feature upfront fees, milestone payments, or revenue-based royalties. While licensing provides recurring income, it also requires ongoing management and enforcement. Selling, on the other hand, delivers a one-time payment with no future responsibilities, but also no control over how the technology is used. Choosing the right patent broker is crucial for a successful transaction. Interview several candidates and ask detailed questions about their experience in your specific market, their track record of sales, and their approach to pricing and marketing patents. Request sample packages from past deals to evaluate their work quality. Inquire about their commission structure, how costs are covered, and whether they charge upfront fees. Most brokers work on commission, typically ranging from 10 to 30% of the sale price. The relationship with your broker will be close throughout the sales process, so select someone you trust and respect. Some brokers also specialize in representing buyers in the patent marketplace. These professionals help companies identify high-value patents that align with their strategic objectives, negotiate favorable purchase terms, and conduct thorough due diligence to verify patent validity and identify potential risks. The time frame for selling a patent varies considerably, but most transactions take between 6 and 18 months to complete. This duration depends on market conditions, industry trends, and buyer interest in the specific technology. Intellectual property represents the innovation driving our economy forward. Whether selling or licensing, patent brokers provide the expertise needed to navigate complex transactions and maximize the value of these crucial assets. By understanding the patent marketplace and working with qualified professionals, inventors and companies can transform their intellectual property into significant financial returns while ensuring their innovations reach their full potential in the marketplace.